as you can see, this is the pink Ivy box. I want to say that this is the one that they're going to stick with because that's what it's been for a good minute now, since it's now in collaboration with the sorority. Still the same, nothing's changed on the box itself. Let's go ahead and get on the inside. Still has a little social media part at the top with the paper. On this card it says Hedgeman Lau and Johnson and Duvernay and Buchanan Wilson and Parks and Morrison and King and Jemison and Harris and Yee. All right, and so the theme of this box for the March month was Pretty Girl Magic. And in the box is an AKA embroidered varsity cardigan. That's cool or whatever, but I live in Houston and that's not about, no. Catch a heat stroke messing around with a cardigan, come on. One, she deserves a stamp lapel pin featuring founder Ethel Hedgeman Lau and one Pretty Girl Magic keychain. And it says, and one day she discovered that she was fierce and strong and full of fire, and that not even she could hold herself back because her passion burned brighter than her fears. Wear these items and remember there is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. Really cute. All right, so let's get on into this. I'll start with the smaller items first. This is so adorbs. It's a Pretty Girl Magic keychain. Let me take it out of the packaging. Yeah, so it's a clip-on keychain. Okay, it doesn't want to spin this way. And it just says Pretty Girl Magic, if it would focus. So it just says Pretty Girl Magic. Really cute. I'm gonna clip this on something, not too sure what just yet. Maybe my backpack, maybe my purse. Something gonna get clipped on, okay? And then we've really been pushing for our founder to get her own stamp. Ethel Hedgeman Lau to get her own stamp. And so that is what's in here. So Ethel Hedgeman Lau Forever stamp, which is also really cute. It's a direct replica of the stamp that we're looking to get for her. So if you see any posts talking about Ethel Hedgeman Lau deserves a stamp, go ahead and make sure you actually read what it's saying and see if there's anything that you can do, you know, sign the petition, so our founder can get the recognition that she deserves for being such an awesome woman. Let's get her a stamp, she deserves one. And then we're saving the biggest item for last, which is gonna be this cardigan, which is so cute. I just love the way that these cardigans look. Like they're so collegiate to me. I don't know. And I especially like the little 3 stripes here. Like, I don't know, it's just something about it. So this one is really adorable. I can see myself wearing this. I think my link has one that's really, really similar to this one. So we'll end up looking alike whenever we do wear this one, and I am excited. But I do have a cardigan that kind of looks like this a little bit. But I mean, can never have too many cardigans, right? So in this next box, this one is, I'm guessing, the April box. Let me go ahead and open it. Okay. Wow. Okay, so this is the April. This one is different though. Oh, I thought it was a card. I thought it was like a foldable card. Whatever. But this one is the April. This one is the April theme box. And so this one is themed positive vibes, which you always need positive vibes. And what's in the box is that, ooh, an Alpha Kappa Alpha track jacket. I don't have one of those. I am excited. And an Alpha Kappa Alpha embroidered hat. I don't really have too many hats, so that's what's up. And it says, negative thoughts and energy drain you of your energy. Focus on all the good that's in your life. Think it, feel it, and speak it. That's a word. By doing so, you will send out positive vibes of energy into the world. Be grateful for all the wonderful things it will attract to your life. Wear these items to remember energy is contagious. Be mindful of what and who you allow into your space. Okay, that's a word. So the very first item that's on top is this hat. And I'm high-key excited because Boule is coming up, so that means I'll have places to wear these items. And then we have some picnics and stuff coming up, so you know, if I don't feel like wearing an actual shirt, I could just, yeah, this hat is dope. It's like a baseball, well, it is a baseball cap, right? I would have to fold this little headpiece up a little bit more, but I like this. I like this hat. I think this is really stylish. I really don't have any, I don't think I have any AKA hats in baseball style. Like I have a beanie, I think that's it. I might have like I think that might be it. I might have just the beanie. I'm not really a hat girl, but I mean, I can see myself wearing this one, especially since it's hot. It's summertime. We have picnics coming up. We have events coming up. And you don't always want to wear the shirt. So I can see myself getting some use out of this for sure. I liked it. I got hat here now. And the second item in this is this track jacket, which is cute as well. And I know I'm being used out of this, like, for sure. All right, so that's it for both of the boxes. These items again are way more than the money that you spend on the Ivy box. That's one of the reasons why I really love IVY Storehouse, aside from the fact that it's like Christmas every month. You're getting something new, something that you don't even know what it is. Like, the themes switch up every time. Like last April it was April showers, this time it was positive vibes. Like, the themes change all the time, so you're not getting the same stuff over and over again, which is what I really like. They switch up. It's always good quality items. It's these items, once you buy them like individually, like let's say I bought this jacket, they could retail this jacket for probably about $60, just being honest. And for that part, for like less than that, I got that and the hat. Once you throw these letters on something, I'm not gonna put these both on at the same time because y'all not about to try to play me with the double Perry, not even on this video. But once you put those, you know, letters on something, it don't matter what organization it is, the price skyrockets. Let me know which item you like the most out of both boxes down below, and I'll go ahead and compare it with mine. I think mine is actually this track jacket. I don't know, it's just real cute to me. It's like, I don't know, maybe because it's something I didn't have, and I probably wouldn't have bought because, you know, again, like, they be taxing on these items, and I ain't got time for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.